Okay, we're going to take a look at how to create an event just to get started. So I am in my Campaigns tab. You'll notice here I go to New, and I have to select the record type of event, and I should select the record type of event attendees for the campaign members. And I hit Continue. And here are all of the fields that we can look at. So let me fill this information in, and I'll give you some highlights about what these are. Okay, let me go through some of the key fields here for our event. Name, ticket price is important. If it is a zero, there's no pricing included for the event, please make sure that that number is zero. Or if it's a free event, rather, make sure that it's zero. Active means the campaign has to be active. It's an important piece to work with the campaign, add members, so forth. And the web page must be public if you are ready to invite people. Otherwise, when they go to register, they will receive a message saying the page is no longer available. Fields down here, start time, end time, of course, appropriate things for an event. The RSVP by date is when you send a message out saying please respond by, that's the field we'd be looking at. And registration close date is the date at which you no longer be accepting reservations during online reservations. Doesn't mean the event can't add people, but it means that the online registration process will not be taken. Number of seats, number of tables, not required fields when you're first creating an event, but can be important later. I'll explain that. Our communication fields down here is where we are, this is kind of the overall description. Give people some idea of what it's about, intended to be pretty succinct. The confirmation text is the message that shows up when, a thank you message that shows up when someone confirms or registers. And the registration close message is the message that shows up when someone goes to register and they're past the registration close date. And most of the time you probably want to put in a phone number or email for someone to follow up with around that. Down here is a topic field, which is optional to display, but it's something that is nice, and since you've got a lot more detail that you can put in, include. So here's an image of some logos that I put in here. You can highlight things. It's a rich text field, do bullets, things like that. Add images just by clicking on the insert image folder file icon there. So if I take a look at all of that and I hit save, I now have created my campaign record, and we'll walk through each of these sections in other videos, kind of what they mean and how you use them.